Convenient life with the Hydrojet Power Washer. Hydrojet high-pressure power washers are the best machines to use when cleaning surfaces both dirty and slightly dirty. They are amazing inventions meant to make work easy, be it cleaning your car, pathways, home, brick walls, window washing, garden watering, and many more cleaning applications. Why need Hydrojet Power Washer? Do you have dirty areas around the house that need to be cleaned? Hydrojet high-pressure power washers are the best and of the convenient ways to make your surfaces clean. Transform your regular garden hose into a powerful jet pressure washer with the Hydrojet High-pressure Power Washer. 3x turbocharge your water pressure. Transform your regular garden hose into a powerful jet pressure stream. The Hydrojet High-pressure Power Washer is the perfect cleaning tool for washing muddy sidewalks, grimy wooden fences, moldy brick walls, dirty cars, and much more. It can even clean second-story windows, while you're standing safely on the ground. Our Hydrojet High-pressure Power Washer jet comes with 2 nozzles that allow you to get the water flow you want to take the hassle out of cleaning. It gives you more control and freedom to clean the way you want. Whether you need a powerful jet stream or a gentle spray, Hydrojet's high-pressure power washer wand has you covered.